Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change keyboard language on OnePlus Nord for 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to system and update. Then choose keyboard and input method, manage keyboards, and then select Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this device. Of course, you may use a different one. I'm gonna show you how it works for Gboard. And now over here we need to select languages. Now we can select on the current language in order to find additional settings like the layout, but we can also choose add keyboard and then we can add another language. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one and then press done, and that's all. We can also press on this pen in order to remove unwanted languages. So if you select the language, then you can press this trash icon and then remove it. Now I'm gonna show you how we can switch the language on keyboard when you use it. So if you have more than one language added to the keyboard, then you can switch between those languages by pressing and holding your finger on the space. So on the space you will see different languages that you have installed. Press and hold in order to change the keyboard to a different language. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!